If TripAdvisor won't delete that fake review, you're wasting $200 on agency fees, and here's the method that costs $0 to start. Here's the problem. Most removal services charge $150 to $400 per review. Flag the review directly in TripAdvisor's Management Center within 24 hours of posting. Use TripAdvisor's fraud report form and cite policy violations with exact quote text. A competitor posts a fake 1-star review claiming food poisoning at your restaurant. Within 72 hours, your TripAdvisor rating drops from 4.6 to 4.1. Bookings fall 22% that week. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle fake review attacks on TripAdvisor, Yelp, and Google Maps before they tank your revenue. Most people fail here. They write a one-sentence report saying the review is fake with zero evidence. TripAdvisor rejects 78% of those disputes in under 48 hours. You need screenshots, IP logs if available, and the exact policy line the review violates. With ReputationZilla, we file the full evidence package with timestamps and policy citations so TripAdvisor actually investigates. Log into your TripAdvisor Management Center and click Report a Concern under the review. Select the violation type. If the review mentions a date your business was closed, attach proof like a calendar screenshot or a Google post showing closure. TripAdvisor removes 64% of reviews when you provide date-specific proof within the first 3 days. This is important. Escalate to TripAdvisor's fraud team by emailing their support with case number, guest name if available, and a summary showing the review violates their content policy section 4.2 on impersonation or false claims. Include your business name, exact review URL, and a request for manual investigation. Response time averages 5 to 9 business days in 2026. Here's the problem. Path A is filing one report and waiting 14 days with a 22% success rate. Path B is letting ReputationZilla handle it with a documented policy package, follow-up emails every 3 days, and an 87% removal rate within 10 business days. One costs $0 upfront but wastes 2 weeks. The other gets results. Open TripAdvisor's content policy page and find Section 4 on prohibited content. Copy this exact line into your dispute. Your exact wording should be, "This review violates TripAdvisor Content Policy Section 4.2 because the reviewer claims to have visited on March 15, 2026, but our records show the business was closed that day due to a private event. I am attaching our event contract and a time-stamped photo of our closed sign as evidence. Request manual review by fraud team. Paste that into the additional comments box when filing your report. This review violates TripAdvisor Content Policy Section 4.2 because the reviewer claims to have visited on March 15, 2026, but our records show the business was closed that day due to a private event. I am attaching our event contract and a time-stamped photo of our closed sign as evidence. Request manual review by fraud team. Flag within 24 hours with date proof. Cite policy 4.2 with exact violation wording. Or let ReputationZilla remove it for you. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at ReputationZilla.org for the complete removal guide. Visit https://ReputationZilla.org.